Hello, everybody. My name is Vishal. Hope you're doing well. This is my father's 1968 Royal Enfield Bullet, and that's the place where I'll be installing the watch that I have made. This is how normally a Royal Enfield looks like. This is my friend's bike, and if you see the meter closely, the reading is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's the reason actually he took the pic. So normally we have the ammeter on the right and the ignition switch on the left. What I have done is I have moved this ammeter in the place of ignition switch, and the ignition switch is here. If you see, that's the place where it was originally when it was made. So it was actually raining, and that's the reason everything is wet right now over here. And let me show you the watch that I have made. Let me know in the comment section what do you think about the watch idea. And now let's install the watch. So for installation you'll be needing this ring, and this is a rubber ring which fits in the socket over here properly and nicely, and is also like holds it firmly at the place. And now for installing we need to apply some thing for lubrication so that it slides in easily. I'll be putting some engine oil on it so that it slides in easily, and engine oil will be a best option for that. Let me put this back in the place, apply this engine oil in all the places, and then we need to put it in the socket. So you don't need to use any kind of instruments for this. Before pushing in, make sure the watch is straight so that the time we see should be right. The reason I made this watch is because I always wanted a watch on the bike the time when I started riding. But nowadays we get watch in most of the bikes, so two-wheelers, due to the digital meter. But for something this old, I wanted something classy, so I made this watch. I have also clicked some cool pictures of it. Hit the like button if you like them. In the next video on my bike, I will be working on the seats. I previously had the seats installed on my bike, but my father changed them because the back seat, if you see, the front seat was comfortable, but the back seat was a bit bumpy and was not comfortable for the pillion. So as you can see, it lacks padding as well. So I will be improving the back seat, improving to make it more comfortable and shock proof to ride. To watch that video in future, subscribe my channel, and also if you like the video, hit the like button. And as always, thank you for watching. Bye bye, take care.